Hello friends and welcome back to the Religion channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI New Pro MP245PG E14 and Pro MP275PG E14 144Hz business monitor. So friends, the MSI is launched two new monitor. It's for business using and equipped with high refresh rate of 144 Hz and MSI new monitor offer a remarkable smooth flicker-free visual experience. And whether you are scrolling through spreadsheet and browsing the web and diving into fast-paced gaming after hour and the fluid screen transform transaction reduce eye strain and enhancing engagement in its monitor built for business but ready to play and the PerfectEdge four-side frameless design deliver ultra slim profile that maximize screen space and minimizing disturbance and the minimalist aesthetic not only enhance the monitor visual appeal but also boost focus and impression. So friend, the MSI EyesErgo feature certified by TÜV Rheinland for both flicker-free performance and low blue light emission, and the monitor actively protect your eyes during prolonged use and the ultra-smooth 144 Hz refresh rate for the enhanced visual comfort and reducing motion blur and minimizing eye fatigue. And whether you are working through detailed spreadsheet and watching high-speed video content and additional innovative like IQ, check tool and fully adjustable stand offering tilt, swivel, pivot and height adjustment. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.